I hope you all write this pseudocode. Let's try to write it together. So what is the starting point of finding average of n numbers? This pseudocode. So starting word of pseudocode is the program. Then you need to end the pseudocode with end and full stop. The next thing that you need to do is you need to give a good name for your pseudocode. So here what we are trying to do, we are trying to find average of n numbers. So let me give the name as average n numbers. So you can give any name. So in here I have given the name average n numbers. So that is my program name. This is the starting point of your writing the pseudocode. The next line, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit indentation. So that means this is the inner statement of my program. The next thing that I want to do is to set up my sum to be 0. That is the next thing that I want to do. In the previous example, we have write pseudocode to find average of 3 numbers. Now we need to find average of n numbers. So that means we have to do some repetition tasks in order to complete this program. We can write the repetition task using while or for keywords. In this example, I'm going to use for keyword. So I'm start with for n numbers. For n numbers, I'm going to read each number, read number. Then I'm going to set up my sum equal to sum plus number. Number 4 in numbers, that's what I'm going to do. After that, I'm going to do n4. So that is telling that is the end of my repetition steps. So whatever the inner statement in the for and n4, I have to do it for n times. I have to do it for n numbers. For n numbers, I'm going to read number and add that number to my sum. After completing this repetition task, my sum should contain the summation of all the n numbers that I have read from that file. And if I am planning to get these numbers from the user, then I can use get keyword instead of sum read. Once I complete the repetition task, then what I need to do, I need to compute the average. So then I can use average equal to sum divided by n, and finally I'm going to display the average. So this is the complete pseudocode to find average of n numbers. In here you can see I have used the repetition operation that we have talked under 6 operation in pseudocode, and also we have used assign value operations and display information operation and receive information operation. So we have used 4 different type of operations that we have talked in our initial discussion. I hope you all understood this problem. So let's move on to the next problem. So next problem is write a pseudocode to find the largest of 3 numbers. What I want all of you to do, pause this video for a few minutes and write a pseudocode to find largest of 3 positive numbers. So assume that you're going to get 3 positive numbers from a file or user, and you need to find the largest number from those 3 numbers. Pause this video for a few minutes and write the pseudocode to find the largest of 3 positive numbers.